chosen ones, you are not here by accident. There is a reason this message has found you today. The path you are on is leading you toward realizing your unique ability to shape your reality. You have always carried within you a connection to the universal energy that responds to your thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Now is the time to tap into this power and direct it toward manifesting the life you desire. The technique you are about to learn is designed to align your energy with the outcomes you seek. This is not about changing who you are, but about aligning with the truth of your potential. Belief is the driving force behind everything you manifest. It is the unseen bridge that connects your desires to their fulfillment. When you genuinely believe in the possibility of achieving something, you naturally align your energy with it. But many people unknowingly sabotage their efforts with doubt, fear, or limiting beliefs. These internal barriers block the flow of energy and keep desired outcomes from manifesting. The first step in transforming belief is identifying the thoughts that contradict what you want to achieve. Pay close attention to the stories you tell yourself, especially those about why something isn't possible. These narratives are often deeply ingrained but not rooted in truth. They're simply patterns that have been repeated over time. Once you become aware of them, you can start replacing them with thoughts that support your goals. The process of changing belief requires consistent focus and repetition. When you repeatedly affirm the possibility of your desires, your mind begins to accept them as fact. This isn't about ignoring reality, but about choosing to focus on what is possible instead of what feels impossible. By aligning your thoughts with positive outcomes, you create an environment where those outcomes can flourish. Belief also involves trusting in the process, even when immediate results aren't visible. Doubt often arises when progress seems slow or non-existent. But it's important to remember that unseen shifts are always happening. Trusting in the timing of events and staying committed to your belief is crucial. When your inner convictions are aligned with what you want, you create a strong foundation for the law of attraction to work in your favor. Visualization is one of the most effective tools for activating the law of attraction. It allows you to align your thoughts and energy with your desired outcomes. When you visualize, you create a clear mental image of the reality you want to experience. This is not about wishful thinking. It is about focusing your mind in a deliberate and structured way. To start, focus on what you want to achieve and imagine it as though it is already present in your life. The key is to make this mental image as vivid as possible. Picture the details, the environment, and the feelings associated with having achieved your goal. The more specific and detailed your visualization, the stronger the signal you send out to the universe. Emotions play a critical role in this process. And when you visualize, connect with the emotions that you would feel if your desires were already a part of your reality. This emotional alignment strengthens the power of your visualization and makes it more effective. It is not enough to see the image in your mind. You must also feel it deeply within yourself. Regular practice of visualization is important. Set aside time each day to focus on this exercise. Consistency reinforces the energy you are projecting, helping to attract the circumstances and opportunities that will bring your vision to life. Remember, this is about aligning your thoughts and feelings with what you want to manifest, creating a strong and clear pathway for it to materialize. Gratitude is a powerful element in the process of manifestation. It shifts your focus from what is missing to what is already present in your life. This change in perspective creates a positive energy that attracts more of what you desire. When you express gratitude, you amplify your vibrational frequency, aligning it with abundance and fulfillment. Start by acknowledging the things you are genuinely thankful for, no matter how small they may seem. This practice grounds you in the present and helps you realize that abundance already exists around you. By appreciating what you have, you open yourself up to receiving even more. Gratitude also plays a role in strengthening your belief in the manifestation process. When you express thanks for your desires as though they are already fulfilled, you reinforce the energy of expectation and trust. This simple act aligns your thoughts and emotions with the outcomes you want, creating a magnetic pull toward them. Incorporating gratitude into your daily routine is simple yet highly effective. Begin or end your day by listing things you are thankful for and include future goals as if they are already achieved. This habit not only enhances your mindset, but also accelerates the manifestation of your desires. Gratitude is not just an attitude. It is an essential practice for aligning with the energy of attraction. Affirmations are a key tool for aligning your thoughts with your goals and desires. They are simple, intentional statements that help reshape the beliefs stored in your subconscious mind. When used consistently, affirmations replace limiting patterns of thought with empowering ones, creating a mental environment that supports manifestation. To use affirmations effectively, start with clear, positive statements that reflect the outcomes you want to achieve. These statements should be framed in the present tense as if the goal is already achieved. Repeating these affirmations regularly helps reinforce their message in your mind. This repetition is not just about saying words, but about feeling their truth deeply as you say them. Consistency is essential. Incorporate affirmations into your daily routine by repeating them during quiet moments or writing them down. This practice keeps your focus on your goals and strengthens the connection between your thoughts and the energy you project. By choosing affirmations that resonate with your desires, you set a strong foundation for the law of attraction to work in your favor. Affirmations also serve as a way to counteract doubt and negativity. When you focus on affirming positive outcomes, it becomes easier to redirect your thoughts away from fear or uncertainty. Over time, this practice helps to build unwavering confidence in your ability to manifest your desires. Letting go is an essential part of the manifestation process. It allows the energy you have set in motion to flow without interference. Holding on too tightly to a specific outcome can create resistance, which disrupts the natural alignment between your intentions and the universal energy. Trusting the process is key. Once you have set your intentions, visualized your desires, and aligned your thoughts and emotions, it is important to release any attachment to how and when the results will appear. This doesn't mean giving up on your goals, but stepping back and allowing the universe to arrange the circumstances needed to bring them to you. Letting go involves shifting from a state of control to a state of trust. When you focus too much on the details, you may create unnecessary stress or doubt. By releasing this need for control, you signal to the universe that you are open to receiving in ways that might exceed your expectations. Practicing detachment does not mean losing focus. Instead, it is about maintaining faith while continuing to take inspired action when opportunities arise. This balance of trust and action keeps your energy aligned and ensures that you remain receptive to the results you are manifesting. Taking inspired action is a vital part of using the law of attraction. While focusing your thoughts and aligning your emotions are foundational steps, action helps turn your desires into tangible outcomes. Inspired action is not about forcing yourself to do something. It is about recognizing and acting on opportunities that align naturally with your intentions. These actions often feel effortless and are accompanied by a sense of certainty. Pay attention to subtle ideas, intuitive nudges, or opportunities that present themselves. These are often signs that you are in alignment with what you are working to manifest. Taking these steps creates momentum and helps bring your goals closer to reality. It is important to remain open and flexible during this process. Sometimes, the path to achieving a goal unfolds differently than expected. Acting on opportunities without hesitation allows the energy of attraction to flow freely. Trust that each step, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture. Consistency is crucial. Regularly review your goals and evaluate whether your actions support them. This helps you stay aligned and ensures that your energy remains focused on your desired outcomes. Taking inspired action bridges the gap between intention and manifestation, reinforcing your commitment to the process. Challenges are a natural part of the manifestation process, but they should not discourage you. These moments test your focus and help you grow stronger in your beliefs. Staying aligned with your goals, even during difficulties, is essential to maintaining the energy needed to attract what you desire. When faced with challenges, take a step back and assess your thoughts and emotions. Negative energy or doubt can create resistance, slowing down progress. Reframe these situations as temporary and focus on what you can learn from them. This approach helps you remain calm and continue projecting positive energy. Using techniques such as meditation or journaling can help you regain clarity and maintain your alignment. Meditation allows you to quiet your mind and realign with your goals, while journaling gives you a space to express your thoughts and reaffirm your intentions. Both practices keep you connected to your purpose. Consistency in your daily habits also plays a role in overcoming challenges. Continuing with visualization, affirmations, and gratitude helps to reinforce your focus and bring your energy back into alignment. Remember that challenges are not setbacks, but opportunities to strengthen your ability to manifest. Once you have aligned your thoughts, emotions, and actions, the results of your efforts will begin to show. It is important to recognize and acknowledge these moments, no matter how small they may seem. Manifestation often starts with subtle changes, such as unexpected opportunities or shifts in circumstances. These are indicators that the process is working. Celebrating these results reinforces your alignment and strengthens your belief in the technique. Acknowledging progress keeps your energy focused on positive outcomes and helps maintain the flow of attraction. This focus is essential for continuing to build momentum toward larger goals. Remaining patient and trusting the timing of events is key. While some manifestations may happen quickly, others take longer. Trust that the process is unfolding exactly as it should. Observing these results without doubting their validity helps sustain your energy and belief in your ability to manifest. Gratitude plays a significant role here as well. Expressing gratitude for the results you've achieved, regardless of their size, ensures that you remain aligned with the energy of abundance. This continuous cycle of gratitude and acknowledgement strengthens your connection to the law of attraction. Manifestation is not a one-time effort, but an ongoing practice. Staying committed to the techniques ensures that the energy you project remains consistent. This consistency is what allows the law of attraction to bring lasting changes into your life. Reviewing your intentions regularly is an important step. As your goals evolve, refine your focus to ensure your thoughts and actions align with your current desires. This practice helps you stay clear and intentional in your manifestation efforts. Maintaining daily habits such as visualization, affirmations, and gratitude is essential. These practices keep you connected to your goals and reinforce the energy you are projecting. Even during challenging times, continuing these habits ensures that your alignment remains strong. Commitment also involves adapting when necessary. Be open to new techniques or adjustments in your approach that support your goals. Flexibility allows you to navigate the process effectively while staying true to your intentions. By staying committed, you ensure that the results you achieve are not temporary, but part of a lasting shift in how you approach your life. Consistency and dedication to these practices enable you to continuously create the reality you desire. Chosen ones, the power to shape your reality lies within you. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with universal energy, you can manifest the life you desire. This process is not about forcing outcomes, but about intentionally focusing your energy on what truly matters to you. Visualization, affirmations, gratitude, and inspired action are tools that keep you aligned with your goals. Trust in the process, stay consistent, and allow the universe to work in harmony with your intentions. Remember, every step you take reinforces your ability to attract abundance and fulfillment. Begin today with confidence, knowing that you hold the key to creating the life you've always envisioned. Start now and let the results speak for themselves.